Men of Truth hosted a men-to-men talk, a space where men can speak honestly, listen deeply, and reflect without fear of judgment. Today's conversation is one that touches every home, every community, and every generation. We tackle important issues that shape who we are as men.
But included the boys' women's parliament. But we applaud you for that. Ngoba inkinga eziningi zisuke ekutheni ukuthi sisuke sihlangane sisodwa sibobaba. Then sikhohlwe ngalabafana bethu la. You know, nawuqala thina njengabobaba we are leading ama-family wethu. Mhlambe ake ngithi uba kunamabhizinisi. Ubaba nekanamabhizinisi akadoseli indodana idosele la eduze. Ukuthi this is how we operate this business ekhaya. When ubaba pass on, then ke bese sokuba nenkinga yokuthi umntwana lo ozako ebathi cela ibandla ayisakhona ukubereka ngendlela ubaba bekabereka ngayo bese iyawa ke ibusiness. So it is important ukuthi bobaba njengoba siza la, you must make sure ukuthi ungubaba you bring your children, you bring
age and how we spend imali yethu. Abantu bethu uthola ukuthi imali yakho incane but already unama side chick e3 kule mali encane. Angithi omunye wayazi ukuthi imali yakho incane but inkinga yakho you want to drive a car. Imoto izothatha amalini i60% umkholo wakho. Guys, once you take imoto usebenzisa imali usebenza whatever company, but once you take imoto ethatha i60% yomkholo wakho, that's a bad debt. You just want to show off. Omunye imali uyayithola but mawubheka lapha ahlala khona i-culture khona iphelile but ukhona ukuphuza ihenezi. But our priorities are not fixed on what is important. So now just attach two topics because of time. Two topics. Ngifuna encourage ukuthi guys, we need to learn to save. And I will show you we are not saving. Some of us we are used to umashonisa. Omunye uphile kumashonisa uyasebenza. Mawuqeda uhola imali yakho uya kumashonisa uyoboleka futhi. Omunye right now, mawuqeda uhola you are left with minus. Fana uyoboleka kubangani bakho. Omunye inkinga yethu abangani bethu, our friends. We don't have friends alone, we are empowering each other, guys. This year, let's reflect, let's do introspection. What have you achieved for this year? Uyabona ukuphuza uyakudla imali. Uyabona into okuthanda amantombazana wena mawuphuzile imali yakho umkholo wakho uyadlula. We need to change. We need to change.
1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8 ane kulapho ekhuluma ngendoda ukuthi he's a provider, he's a protector. Kulapho kumele ube khona uma uyindoda, uma ungubaba. Kulapho esikufuna khona ukuthi uprotect umndeni wakho, uprovide umndeni wakho, because lithi iBhayibheli mawufunda if awukwenzi lokho protector no provider umndeni wakho, it's like if not you are worse than unbeliever. Ufana nomuntu ongakholwa nje worse than yena futhi. So asikhuleni bobaba, asikhuliseni abantwana bethu. Bizolo, it was yesterday, noma emalangeni abantwana bebaqeda ukubhala bekubusy up and down ngama pens down. Uthini kithi sibobaba? Uthini umntwana wakho akabuyanga ubuye neshirt libhalwe konke lokho inhlambi esibhaliwe la lidabuliwe lenziwe yonke into. Uyini endlini ufundisana? Yimuphi umthetho owufakayo endlini njengobaba?
These are not easy topics. They are personal, they are emotional, and they are real.
bese leli gazi lihamba kuphi ke emthanjeni lisupply labo oxygen abadinga umzimba ngithi nazo zonke izinto noma izinto ezingukudla zihamba ngegazi ziye ezicubini zomzimba noma kuma tissues and organs lapho zidingeka khona ngithi ukuze sibe namandla amandla ahamba ngani ngaleli gazi ayikuphi emzimbeni ngithi so ufikele ku sister so uyasho ukuthi blood pressure mhlambe ikahle noma iphezulu siphinde sincheck ini isifo sikashukela ngithi isifo sikashukela ke noma uhlele ekhaya kunezimpa ngathi uma uba nazo ukhathazeka bese sewuze clinic ngithi singaba nezimpozo ukuthi mhlawumbe ebusuku ngenze njani ngivuka njalo ngendlini encane ngithi uma ngivuka njalo ngendlini encane ngiyozikhulula ngiyochitha amanzi ngithi uma kukuthi ebusuku uvuka kaningi ngiyochitha amanzi ubo asisho la ogesi siyawazi lamanzi esikhuluma ngawa ngithi
top 5 yamastate bawafuni we rape i-force man top 5 sexual assault iyatopha i-force man but guess what uzota hayi ise force man abale force man isemalahleni but also the sexual assault umntwana ekhehla la ephola siku number 3 ranking number 3 with district bapi abantu bebhaji that will stand in the gap and advocate for abantu besimame Ncebo, we cannot as men gathered here sihlangane njengoba sihlangene in the name yokuthi si discredit abafazi. That will be completely wrong. Yes. If we are creating this platform ukuthi si discredit abafazi, then we might as well shut it. Because our state are showing ukuthi abafazi they are going through a lot. Uthi honorable speaker, i-poverty ayibleed ukuthi ingena ngani ku-rape ngoba uthi ulambile but unamandla woku-rape wathathaphi ngoba ulambile. So we need to raise men. We need to raise these children ukuthi kusasa bazoba bobaba ababhetha.
Owakho umntwana nakabuye esikoleni wena ubuye eregweni uyamcheka na ukuthi la umthumela khona uyayenza leyo nto leyo na. So kulakuvela khona ukuthi sibo baba we prefer friends, we prefer women, we prefer ukuhamba sendaweni lazo sithabisa khona than ukuthi sibheke la esisuka khona ukuthi sakhani. Asakheni bobaba amahamulo nabentazana akupheli. I-SAB soloko yathuma kade sa-operate namhlanje isazoku-operate nakusasa mara abentwa bakho they must be your first priority every day. Ngiyathokoza.
So according to Domestic Violence Act 116 yaka 1998, barefera domestic violence as physical abuse, ukushayana kwabantu abasendile, emotional, verbal or psychological abuse, of which is to insult or name calling, ukubizana ngamagama umuntu angawathandi nokuthuka umuntu. That one the amount of emotional, verbal and psychological abuse. Then we have the sexual abuse, whereby umuntu uzforsa to a partner yakhe. We also have economic abuse, whereby uhleli nomuntu uyasebenza nishadile or you are partners but akabhadali rent uyazi ukuthi wena awusebenzi. That falls under economic abuse.
Ezinye singakhona ukuzibona but mina manje sizokhuluma nge-mental health ilesi engayiboni ethinta ingqondo kakhulu. So ngabe idalwa yini? Idalwa izimo eziningi esibhekana nazo. Ngikhuluma la in the context of abantu besilisa, right? So idalwa izimo eziningi esibhekana nazo ezabantu besilisa, nami ngiyazibala. So njengoba sibhekana nalezi zimo kunendlela okufanele senze ngazo ukuze sibe right. But sinenkinga enkulu ukuthi akuwona ama-efforts lawo ngabalula ukuthi siwalungise, because touches ma-issues are serious, adinga ama-higher structures ukuze ube right, like including i-poverty. If umuntu under i-poverty kunzima ukuthi maybe facing i-depression ukuthi esheshe ephume ezimeni ezifana nalezo. Kakhulu singabantu besilisa sibhekana ne-depression ekubizwa ngokuthiwa i-factual depression. So that means ukuthi uyakhona ukuphila, sikhona ukubona ukuthi ubhekana nalezi zinkinga, but zikhona and wena ubhekana nazo and awukhulumi namuntu. And kakhulu abantu besilisa abakhulumi ngey'nkinga ezibathintayo. Ama-platform akhona okufanele ngabe siyawasebenzisa ukureporta ukuze sithole usizo.
Namhla sizokhuluma kubaba, sizokwakha ukuthi sikwazi ukuphila, siphila kanjani. Ingawo ngithi itafula lamadoda leli yangithi namhla ngijabulile ukuthi sinabo baba and sizokhuluma izindaba ezakha indoda nezokwakha iy'nsizwa zethu zakusasa. Ngithi khuluma ndoda, qina ndoda.
For more on this, please go to our YouTube channel. Filed this report, Nkosana Mavuso at Empirize 22 Day.